There's just a cat chilling on the windowsill. This is the first time I've ever seen this happen. Just a black cat. Hey. What's happening? Hi. I think Menace is confused. What are you doing here? What is that? That's where my fake nail went. Oh my god. These were my Barbie nails back in July, and I was like taking them off in my bed, and then it flew somewhere and I couldn't find it, and it landed here on the windowsill. Oh. Newman is not happy. Newman is not happy. Oh, okay. All right. All right, we should go now. Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. It has been some time. It's been exactly 3 weeks since I pulled out this camera, but if you guys didn't know, in my last video I did mention that I got into a pretty bad car accident, so I wanted to take some time off to just focus on going through physical therapy treatments, my chiro. I had a lot of appointments, like getting an MRI scan, getting x-rays done a couple of times, and like going to like the ER just to make sure I'm okay. So a bunch of appointments and stressing out about the car situation, getting appointments to go get my car checked out, to get an estimate on the property damages and all this stuff. And then, you know, I have a lawyer, and the case manager that's working for me wasn't the best, so I was getting really stressed out about that. But luckily I was able to get a new case manager. So yeah, that's why I didn't vlog, because the past 3 weeks was just all about that, and I canceled all of the plans I had with my friends. But now everything is falling into place, the ball is rolling, and feeling less stressed. So yeah, this morning I'm gonna go to my chiro. I've been using Alexander's car to get around, which is really nice of him. He's been letting me use his car. You guys can see him in the back, by the way, just chilling. I'm gonna drop him off at work and then go to my treatment, and then head back home and pick him up afterwards. I wanted to pull out my camera because, as you guys know, I mentioned briefly that I have a really busy month of October. I'm gonna be leaving the country again. So that's why I was so stressed, because all of this happened literally right before our trip. I was also stressed out too, because I needed to plan out the itinerary and like what to do while we're gone. It was just a lot to do mentally. We're gonna be leaving, well, when I say we, it's not me and Alexander, it's me and my mom this time. We're doing a mother and daughter trip. It was pretty spontaneous, actually. We pretty much planned everything like 2 months in advance. We are leaving in 3 days from today. We're leaving on Monday. So when you guys are watching this, we'll be flying already. I still haven't packed yet, so this video will also include a little like pack with me. I want to do my makeup and then put on outfits and see what jewelry to wear with it, what shoes or sandals to wear with the outfit, and go from there. I want to get like a full vision of how I'm gonna look. So I'm gonna do my makeup later today when I come back and start packing. My mom is already packed for the most part. I helped her pack all of her clothes. Also, I got this new serum from Good Molecules. I heard good things about this brand, and I've been wanting to try their products. This one is the 10% niacinamide to refine signs of texture and improved appearance of pores, and I'm really liking it. I've been using it for almost a week now, and I had this huge pimple right here. It needed to pop. Well, You can see the little pouch inside, and now it's completely flat, so I think it's working. I really like it. It's made in Korea. It's all natural. I like it. Didn't want to spend $50 on that serum that I've been using from Codex Labs, even though I really like it. I just don't want to spend that much right now. We also got a new little love seat couch for the game room. I can show you guys that later. It's perfect for the room. The old couch we had, because it was falling apart. Menace threw up on that couch so many times. Mega ripped into it on the top. Menace ripped into it on the bottom. Lots of accidents there, and then Newman likes to lick that couch all over, so it was gross. It was time to go. We had it for 3 years, and we put a blanket to cover it that way in case Menace does throw up on there or Newman does his licking. We can always remove the blanket and wash it. So we're gonna head out soon in like 25 minutes. Thinking about maybe getting Starbucks. How are you feeling? I will check back in with you guys in a few. All right, here is the couch and the blanket over, obviously. That way the doggies don't ruin it. We kept these little side pillows from the old couch with us because they're still clean and in good condition. So that is our little tiny love seat. It gives us more space and room in here. It just looks nicer. This room is a little bit more open, and then we also got a new bed for the dogs. This was from Ross for 20 bucks. It was a really good find. The dogs love laying here. The reason why we got a new bed was because the previous bed, all the stuffings came out of it when it was in the washer, so we threw that away. That is pretty much it. We are just doing the little last minute things before our trip. I already did the bed sheets yesterday, so we have fresh new bed sheets, and I'm gonna do laundry tomorrow. My mom did my toes the other night, just keeping it simple, all white. She's gonna do my nails on Sunday as well. I'm gonna dye her hair tonight, and that's it. We got our Starbucks at the pumpkin cream cold foam with the iced matcha.
Can I try?
You don't even like matcha. This is my breakfast.
Too goddamn bitter.
I'm gonna head to his job and then switch seats and drive to the Cairo. It is now the next day. I didn't film anything after the last clip because I just got hit with some more news about my car situation. It's totaled. Insurance doesn't want to pay for the damages, so they'd rather just declare it totaled. So I was a little stressed out about that yesterday. I had to like get all of my stuff out of my car and schedule a towing truck to come pick it up. It should be coming between now and Monday, the day that I leave. So that's good. And then I had to make sure to get rid of the toll tags, get rid of the insurance, like all of that stuff. So I wasn't in the mood to film or pack anything at all yesterday. But today, I finally did it. It took me 2 hours to try on clothes, figure out outfits to wear, what accessories, what sandals, everything to wear to our trip. We're going to be gone for 3 weeks. I am not sure if I told you guys that earlier in the vlog, but we're going to be gone for 3 whole weeks and pretty much have an outfit every day. I'm not sure if you guys can see my mom's bed in the back, but those are all my clothes. So here is the current situation. This is everything I am bringing. I have my underwear, socks, bras, sleeping clothes, a couple of bathing suits to go to the beach, and just a bunch of outfits here. This is my mom's carry-on. Like, I was able to fit all of her clothes in here. So we did the rolling method and it fits. So hopefully it will work with my clothes. So I'm gonna bring 5 pairs of shoes. Sorry, you guys can't really see the jewelry that I am packing with me. It blends in with the countertop a little bit, but I am packing 3 necklaces, 2 pairs of hoops, and just a little bracelet. So keeping it very light, minimal. I am all dressed because I am gonna go grab lunch with Alexa. She wanted to see me before I leave, and we haven't seen each other since Labor Day. I told her my situation, obviously. So she knows I don't have a car. She is sweet enough to drive down here, and then we're gonna go grab sushi since she's craving sushi. I feel like we're always getting sushi together. I am wearing all Tommy Hilfiger, by the way. Tommy Hilfiger jeans. Those jeans are the ones that Alexander's mom gave me, and I love it. After lunch, I'm just gonna go back home. I'm gonna do laundry, and I'm going to pack all of this stuff and see how much I can fit in my carry-on. It's been a few hours later. I am back home now from hanging out with Alexa. It was a lot of fun. Sushi was so good, but man, it was a lot of food. We're so stuffed. And then we went to TJ Maxx and Kohl's. I told her I've been wanting to get a little sun hat for the trip, but you guys know my head is just way too big. It doesn't really fit the standard hats that they have. But I went to Kohl's and found this one. Now I'm starting to question it. She said it looks cute on. What do you guys think? There's still a lot of space up here. It does fit my head. I don't know, I'll make it work. I feel like maybe this will stretch out a little bit, you know, break it in like how you do with shoes, you know. I will try to make it work for a couple of outfits I have in mind when we're on our trip, but yeah. Oof. Or I can like fold it like this. Anyways, I got this hat, and then I found a really cute dress at TJ Maxx. Alexa thinks it's pretty. It reminds me of pumpkin spice. The color, it just screams fall. Doesn't it not scream fall to you? Pumpkin spice, pumpkin latte, pumpkin pie, everything pumpkin. So I'm gonna try it on and see how it looks. I really like the color, but I'm not really liking the way it looks on me. It's not that flattering on. Let's just say I do look like a pumpkin in this dress. I don't know, maybe because I just finished eating and I'm like really bloated and feel fat, but I look like a pumpkin right now. I think I can make this work though. I think I can. I need to put something here because I just look really bare. Wear some necklaces and dress it up. No, this will work. This will work. I will make it work, okay? So you guys will see this outfit or this dress in my future vlogs. I'm going to wash it now. Actually, I'm gonna do laundry right now. Hi Menace. So I was able to put most of my clothes, pretty much all of my clothes, in the carry-on as well. I'm missing my jeans that I need to wash and put back in here, the ones that I was wearing earlier. And I'm bringing my backpack with me. I have all of my underwear, socks, and bras in here. And I'm gonna pack these purses with me on my trip. Got this one from TJ Maxx. Nanette Lepore. This was like 25 bucks. I think it's really cute. My Tory Burch, and then my little fanny pack I got from Target. So those are the three things that I'm bringing. I think I'm gonna stuff that into the check-in, and then my shoes are all right here. Okay, so let's do some laundry. Hi, cutie pie. I also wanted to show you guys this little travel size bag. I don't even know what to call it. Let's open it up. There is this little flap that I remove. It's like a little folder right here. Actually, I'll show you. This is a part of it, which I took off. I'm not going to bring this with me, and it's going to save me some space. All of my makeup is in here. I have my Juno & Co. cleansing balm, my Tiger Balm just in case my back aches, lotion, powder, blush, yada yada, makeup wipes in case I need to reapply my makeup for later during the day, and then just all these little travel size stuff that I have. I have deodorant, toothpaste, dry shampoo, hairspray, hand sanitizer, more deodorant, nipple pasties, and then I have shampoo, conditioner, body wash, hand sunscreen down here, and then I have body lotion right here, and then I have floss. So all of this fits perfectly in this pouch. I got this from Ulta, by the way. This was 60 bucks, which I don't think is too bad. I just wanted to show you guys this little travel size bag that I have. I can put all my skincare, or not my skincare, but my makeup stuff and toiletry stuff all in here. Definitely gonna bring my portable universal charger. This thing is amazing. You can get this on Amazon. Yeah, you can just charge a bunch of stuff all at once. So I highly recommend, if you guys are ever traveling international, definitely buy this. This is a game changer. I'm just laying in my mom's bed. I like chilling in my mom's room, especially in the afternoon, because the sun is not here anymore. It's setting on that side, and it's cooler in my mom's room in the afternoon or early evening. But anywho, I am going to wrap up this vlog here. I'm going to lay low the rest of the weekend, just finalize everything before our trip on Monday. Stay tuned for lots of future vlogs. It's gonna be a fun month of October. Again, I'm gonna vlog every single day and post for you guys. I just pray and hope that everything goes well whenever my mom and I are overseas. Get there safe and sound, and you know, have lots of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. We're so close to 400. I actually lost a couple of subscribers. I just feel like because I haven't posted in a while, but we were so close. I was at 399. So let's bump it up to 400, you guys. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.